The 4D Cave was founded in 2015 as a community gym that supports the development of staff, clients, and the local area. The team at 4D Cave have been organising and delivering free training sessions and programs to communities across London and beyond. Sessions are run 5 times a week, giving the community access to over 10 hours of free coaching and training. The 4D Cave team are a group of fitness fanatics who believe exercising has both positive physical and mental health benefits for all participants. 4D Cave is a community-inspired gym led by members from their respective communities. The team have noticed the need for a truly local service and have been both motivated and inspired by each other to run this service, and the demand from their communities have kept them driven to expand and grow the service in their personal time.
Time. I'm going to say my intro until you lot are skipping, so make sure your skipping is on point next time, man. Give it one more run. Come do this for us. Need a quick intro still. You gotta let them know he's here. 40 miles. Right here with GXI 360. Yeah, GXI 360. Give us some gas, just give us some gas, man.
What's that 1 meter?
Oh yeah, you can have a little space. Remember it's 360, so they're gonna pick it all up.
Huh?
360, what is it? Yes, Lionel from 40 miles. And Cairo. Yeah. Let them know who it is.
What's the guy? What's the called GX?
GXI 360.
Yeah, stand for 40 minutes.
Nah. Yeah, slow it right down, man. You gotta slow it right down.
Yes, it's Cairo for 40 motors. Yes, it's not for 40 motors.
Yeah, come on, wait, slow. You got to say, it's a camera, so you got to think. You got to be super slow. Don't worry about us not here.
Yeah.
You want them to be as clear as you can for them. Yeah. And you want to give them some YouTube gas as well, yeah. So yeah, that's perfect. Lionel, but it's got to be big.
Yeah. It's Cairo for 40 motors, you know what I mean?
No, that's dead. What's the GXI?
GXI what?
You know what? I'm gonna get you lot to do it after a round of sparring anyway. Yeah. We'll be live in here. Alright, come. Next time we're gonna do shoulders and knees. Don't worry about it. We're gonna do shoulders and knees. How about that?
And this is pain. When you ride through the trenches, bulletproof all on the lane. This is pain. I'm on a bitch you claim. Know when some rich niggas hit. They may never be the same. This is pain. This is pain. Don't do some shit about this money. I see some niggas change. This is pain. A million on the rich and then it's pain. It's crazy. I never take the time and I spend some rain. I want your bitch and I just call it here. We all in here. Ask mommy and stars. I used to ball in here. I've been throwing papers since birth. Used to spend them hard in here. Yeah, since the bitches, more money, more weekend. Cops get behind us, we start taking our switches. Niggas getting out, we don't be in y'all business. See how you think we up? No. I got license, bitch. Turn me up some good.
Yeah, straight and you look good. Let's go. Sharp again.
I bought the Richie for a quarter, but I sold it for a nickel.
1 minute to go.
Niggas home, shit, I know business is official. When I start stressing, I get bored, might spend a million, that shit tickle. You throwing me in.
Nice, lad. Throw the 2 after that as well. Yes, Cairo, that's it. You have to be a bit sharper. Nice. In and out, working, Cairo. Nice. And when you see it throw, it's nice. Yep, 30 seconds to go.
Got me switching up my flow again, switching up my hoe again. Everybody been changing, got me switching up my bro again. My dog did his bid, he came back home, he switched his phone again.
Take it around now. man. Swerve, go. Line him up first. He's sending the bruiser to break you down, bro.
Discover our new free-to-play slots tournaments only at Coral. Play your favourite slots, earn points, and take your place on the leaderboard for a chance to win great prizes every day, such as cash, free spins, and bonuses. Play for free at coral.co.uk.
Nice, and keep them hands coming back. You know what's like.
From the back, they stand up. Put your motherfucking face down, ass up. Nigga been here too long for making it sound my nigga is passed up. Fucking this bitch too long, she offered the dress and I just passed up. She wanna go on the run. I wanna live in the rain. I wanna look at the stars. Like I'm sitting in space. Nigga, how you get that home? Pray to look at this case. Set up parents on. I put it on her face. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Niggas ain't fucking with me. 20 bad bitches going on with the game.
Tell them you're at the 40 cave and we're about to do some boxing.
Hello, I am just for the Simba. Come here every single week to do some boxing. It's actually a very proud sport to be a part of, and it's very
Jeez, I ain't let them know you're the future champ as well, bro.
I'm not going to be a future champion in 5 years, I'll be up and coming.
Man. Right up.
Because of the world keep turning, the money keep running. Living in a land, ain't no bitches, I'm just hammering. I seen everybody change on me about some money. Love to get rich, came home, niggas acting funny, I can't come. I'm just strapping and I ain't talking. Swear to God, none of y'all niggas better not grab from my coffin. Swear to God, bad bitch playing signs and says when I'm talking. And I can't say I'm running them trenches when I ain't walking. I seen so many niggas switching, I had to cut them off. So many bitches acting different, we stop fucking raw. Out of the score, I went from Marshall, I'm like, it's up to y'all. You ain't got to talk about my bank, you know my number, call me. So I heard they said I wasn't feeding the team. I'm in the studio all night, so I'm like, what do you mean? So I'm nice and private fight, like we living the dream. You know me, so I'm living like these shit taking in between. When people told me you were jealous, I just wouldn't believe. And when niggas tell me you was fucking, yo, I couldn't believe it. Let me give you some game. How you gonna maintain?
You moving alright? You're not jumping, you're gonna get tired before me. It's not a relaxed. Chin down. Right there. Alright, cool. Final intro for the outro. We out here. 40 motors, yeah. You can stay here, Rob. It's cool. It's 360. We're all in it together. Yeah, 40 motors out here at the 40k. About to do some boxing. You know we're here each and every Thursday. But Yeah, I don't know what else I'm saying. So I might catch some inspiration again afterwards. But yes, follow us up, man. Like and subscribe.